Choosing the right concrete for fence posts is crucial for ensuring durability, stability, and long-term performance. The first choice would be bagged ready-mix concrete or a standard concrete. This is one of the most versatile and cost-effective options for fence posts. It's a pre-mixed blend of cement, sand, and gravel that requires water to be mixed on site. While it has a slower curing time compared to other types, it offers solid and reliable results, making it a great all-around choice for general installations. Then, there's high-strength concrete. This type contains additional cement for increased durability and load-bearing capacity. High-strength concrete is the go-to choice for heavy-duty applications, like large fence posts or areas with heavy gates. While it takes longer to cure compared to fast-setting concrete, it offers maximum strength for demanding projects. Next, fast-setting concrete. If you're short on time, this is a fantastic option. Fast-setting concrete typically cures in 20 to 40 minutes, allowing you to complete your project quickly. It can be poured dry into the hole, and water is added directly afterward. This is ideal for smaller projects or when you need to set multiple posts in one day. However, it's not as durable as high-strength mixes, so it's better for medium to light-duty applications. Lightweight or fence post concrete is another great option. This type is specifically formulated for setting fence posts and is often lighter and easier to handle than traditional mixes. Many lightweight concretes are designed to be poured dry into the hole, with water added directly on site. They're perfect for average fence posts and quick installations. However, they're not recommended for heavy-duty posts or high-stress applications like gate posts. Finally, consider specialized concrete mixes. Weather-resistant concrete is ideal for areas with freezing temperatures or wet conditions, as it's designed to withstand the elements. Shrink-resistant concrete is another option, preventing cracks and shrinkage during the curing process. These specialized mixes are great for projects in challenging climates or where extra protection is required. By understanding the different types of concrete and their applications, you can choose the perfect mix for your fence post project and ensure long-lasting results. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to Construction Clarity for more.